Hi, also in this video we are going to discuss how we can install Kali Linux in your system. Kali Linux is a operating system which used to attack or penetration testing or defense, and there are many preloaded software available in Kali Linux. That's why it's ideal for a cybersecurity person or a person who is trying to hack or penetrate some network or website or app, whatever it is. So how we can install in a isolated environment, so you don't have to take or without taking any risk. So how we can install in the isolated environment? We can install it in a VMware Player, and that would be a isolated environment. So I'm going to show you how you can install this in. So first of all, we have to go to Kali Linux, go to Kali Linux penetration software, and here on the download page, click on virtual machine, and now you can download one of these, whatever you have. If you have virtual box, then this one. If you have VMware, then this one. If you have Hyper-V, then this one. So right now I have to download VMware because I have installed VMware Player in my system. I already downloaded this from here. Now all I have to do is extract. So I'm going to extract this file. It will take some time. Meanwhile, let's open VMware Player. Taking some time. Okay, it's already extracted. And now what we have to do, uh, open a virtual machine, go to download folder, where is Kali Linux. Let's simply Kali Linux. Edit virtual machine setting. Increase going to RAM 8 GB, which is sufficient, I believe, for processor. Hard disk, I'm going to 80 GBs. Net. Okay, play virtual machine. The username is Carly, password is Carly. Okay, it's installed and I can see. Mhm. Okay, I can ping it. So that's all.